What is your name?
My name is Sneha Kanuja.
What is your father name?
My father name is Mr. Sandeep Kanuja.
मुझे क्रिकेट खेलने दो.
Let me play cricket.
मुझे नाचने दो.
Let me dance.
मुझे दौड़ने दो.
Let me run.
मुझे हंसने दो.
Let me laugh.
उसे जाने दो.
Let him go.
उसे खाने दो.
Let him eat.
उसे नहाने दो.
Let him bath.
What is your name?
My name is Jipti.
What is your father name?
My father name is Mr. Ravinder Prajapati.
मुझे हंसने दो.
I let him let me dance.
मुझे सोने दो.
Let me sleep.
मुझे दौड़ने दो.
Let me run.
मुझे हंसने दो.
Let me laugh.
उसे खाना खाने दो.
Let him eat food.
उसे नहाने दो.
Let him bath.
उसे घर जाने दो.
Let him go house.
Sit down. What is your name?
My name is Anushka Rajan.
What is your father name?
My father name is Mr. Surendra.
What is your mother name?
My mother name is Mr. Chandra.
उसे हंसने दो.
Let him laugh.
उसे गाना गाने दो.
Let him sing.
उसे पढ़ने दो.
Let him read.
Very good. Sit down. What is your name?
What is your name? Kancha Kumari.
What is your father name?
What is your father name? Lal Bahadur. My father name Lal Bahadur.
जोर से बोलो. कितना धीरे बोले. जोर से बोलो. मुझे सोने दो.
Let me sleep.
जोर से बोलो. मुझे हंसने दो.
Let me laugh.
जोर से बोलना. ठीक है, बैठ जाओ. जोर से बोलना. कैसे? What is your name?
Sir, my name is Ansika Yadav.
What is your father name?
Sir, my father name is Ajay Yadav. Mr. Ajay Yadav.
What is your mother name?
Sir, my Mr. name is Sankuntala Devi.
My mother name.
My mother's name is Sankuntala Devi. Mrs. Sankuntala Devi.
मुझे हंसने दो.
Let me laugh. Let me laugh.
मुझे रोने दो.
Let me weep.
यार नहीं करियो. मुझे गाने दो.
Let me sing.
उसे दौड़ने दो.
Let me swim.
run. याद नहीं करियो. याद कर. मुझे गाना गाने दो.
Let me sing
a song. मुझे सोने दो.
Let me sleep.
उसे हंसने दो.
Let him laugh.
उसे दौड़ने दो.
Let me him run.
उसे टहलने दो.
Let him walk.
Very good. Sit down. What is your name?
My name is Kanchi Kumari.
What is your father name?
My father name is Dhananjay. Mr. Dhananjay.
ठीक है. मुझे दौड़ने दो.
Let me run.
मुझे बैठने दो.
Let me sit.
मुझे गाने दो.
Let me sing song.
मुझे हंसने दो.
Let me laugh.
उसे बैठने दो.
Let him sit.
उसे पढ़ाने दो.
Let him teach.
Sit down. What is your name?
My name is Neetu Kumar.
What is your father name?
My father name is Mr.
उसे दौड़ने दो.
Let him run.
उसे बैठने दो.
Let him sit.
उसे सोने दो.
Let him sleep.
जोर से बोलो। मुझे खेलने दो।
Let me play.
Sit down. What is your name?
My name is Anmol Yadav.
What is your father name?
My name is Mr. Ajay. My father's name Mr. Ajay Yadav.
What is your mother name?
My name is Sakuntala. My mother name is Sakuntala Yadav.
शकुंतला यादव, ठीक है। मुझे नाचने दो।
Let me dance.
मुझे सोने दो।
Let me sleep.
मुझे हंसने दो।
Let me laugh.
उसे पढ़ने दो।
Let him live.
याद नहीं करे हो, याद करके आना, बैठ जाओ। Sit down. What is your name?
My name is Rajan Kumar.
What is your father's name?
My father's name is Mr. Rajesh Kumar.
What is your mother's name?
My mother's name is Mrs. Seema Devi.
ठीक है। मुझे हंसने दो। इधर
Just let me go.
उसे गाने दो।
Let him sing song.
उसे पढ़ने दो।
Let me read.
मारेंगे बहुत। उसे दौड़ने दो।
Let him run.
उसे पढ़ने दो।
Let him read.
मुझे जाने दो।
Let me go.
Sit down. Next. What is your name?
My name is Subham Kumar.
What is your father's name?
My father name is Dhananjay Kumar.
मुझे बैठने दो।
Let me sit.
उसे जाने दो।
Let him go.
उसे आने दो।
Let him come.
Very good. Sit down. What is your name?
My name is Dish Kumar.
What is your father's name?
My father name Mr.
मुझे सोने दो।
Let me sleep.
मुझे हंसने दो।
Let me laugh.
मुझे आने दो।
Let me come.
Sit down. What is your name?
My name is Ashwin.
What is your father's name?
My father name is Mr. Kanayaraj.
मुझे हंसने दो।
Let me laugh.
मुझे बैठने दो। हंसना नहीं है, मुझे बैठने दो।
Let me sit.
मुझे गाने दो।
Let me sing.
तो याद करके आना है घर से, ठीक है। बैठ जाओ। चलो जी, खड़े हो। बैठे हो बोल रहे हैं तो बताओ। मुझे खेलने दो।
Let me play.
मुझे नाचने दो।
Let me dance.
मुझे कूदने दो।
Let me jump.
मुझे हंसने दो।
Let me laugh.
उसे जाने दो।
Let him go.
उसे आने दो।
Let him come.
उसे पढ़ने दो।
Let him read.
वेरी गुड। सिट डाउन। हो गया। व्हाट इज योर नेम?
My name is Ram Kumar.
व्हाट इज योर फादर नेम?
My father name is Mr. Trijamuna.
व्हाट इज योर मदर नेम?
My mother name is Mr. Mrs. Sanjita Devi.
ठीक है। मुझे खेलने दो।
मुझे let me play.
मुझे नाचने दो।
Let me
मुझे दौड़ने दो।
Let me run.
मुझे हंसने दो।
Let me laugh.
व्हाट इज योर नेम?
My name is Aditya.
व्हाट इज योर फादर नेम?
My father name is Karan.
मुझे हंसने दो।
Let me laugh.
मुझे गाने दो।
Let me sing song.
मुझे पढ़ाने दो।
Let me read. Teach.
मुझे बैठने दो।
Let me sit.
ठीक है। उसे आने दो।
Let him go. Come.
ठीक है। उसे जाने दो।
Let him To go.
Sit down. Next. What is your name?
My name is Raj Kumar.
What is your father?
My father is Mr. Karura.
उसे हंसने दो.
Letter. Letter.
क्या let him.
Let him laugh.
उसे पढ़ने दो.
Let him read.
उसे बैठने दो.
Let him sit.
बहुत पिटाओगे, बैठो. बंद करो. Good morning all of you. 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 मुझे नाचने दो. अंग्रेजी वाला ना है. मुझे नाचने दो. मुझे नाचने दो. उसे हंसने दो. उसे हंसने दो. उसे हंसने दो. ठीक है. मुझे नाचने दो. मुझे नाचने दो. मुझे नाचने दो. मुझे नाचने दो. ठीक है. मुझे बैठने दो. उसे जाने 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 दो. What is your name?
My name is Tanya Rajbhag.
What is your father name?
My father name is Mr. Babu Rajbhag.
शायद उसे नाचना पड़े.
शायद उसे नाचना पड़े. He might dance. Have to dance.
शायद उसे खेलना पड़े.
He might have to run. Play.
शायद उसे जाना पड़े.
He might have to go.
Sit down.
My name is Jasmine Bhargava.
What is your name?
My name is Jasmine Bhargava.
What is your name?
My name is Jasmine Bhargava.
शायद उसे पढ़ना पड़े.
He might have to teach.
शायद उसे खेलना पड़े.
He might have to play. My name is Sanya Rajbhag.
What is your father name?
My father name is Mr. Babu Rajbhag.
शायद उसे खेलना पड़े.
He might have to play.
शायद उसे जाना पड़े.
He might have to go.
Sit down.
My name is Kajal Kumari.
What is your father name?
My father's name is Mr. Anil Kumar Bhatt.
शायद उसे जाना पड़े.
He might to come. Have to.
शायद उसे आना पड़े.
He might have to come.
शायद उसे खेलना पड़े.
He might to have to play.
Sit down. Your name?
My name is Lata Prasad.
What is your father name?
My father name is Mr. Sandeep Palachal.
What is your mother name?
My mother name is Mrs. Sinari.
शायद उसे हंसना पड़े.
He might have to laugh.
शायद उसे लिखना पड़े.
He might have to write.
शायद उसे रोना पड़े.
He might have to laugh.
Sit down. What is your name?
My name is Salu Bharti.
What is your father name?
My father name is Motilal.
शायद उसे नाचना पड़े.
He might have to dance.
शायद उसे गाना गाना पड़े.
He might have to sing a song.
शायद उसे भारत का नक्शा बनाना पड़े.
He might have to make in the map. Indian map.
What is your name?
My name is Jansika Kumar.
What is your father name?
Anil Kumar.
शायद उसे आना पड़े.
He might have to come.
आना पड़े.
He might to have to go. He might to go.
What is your name?
My name is Shreya Bharti.
What is your father name?
My father name is Mr. Sandeep.
शायद उसे दौड़ना पड़े.
He might have to run.
शायद उसे पढ़ना पड़े.
He might have to read.
शायद उसे बैठना पड़े.
He might have to sit.
Sit down. Prince, stand down. What is your name?
My name is
What is your name?
My name is
शायद उसे दौड़ना पड़े.
He might have to run.
शायद उसे खेलना पड़े.
He might have to play.
शायद उसे बैठना पड़े.
He might have to sit.
शायद उसे मिठाई बनाना पड़े.
He might have to sit next it.
What is your name?
My name is Saurabh Kumar.
What is your father name? What is your father name?
Rajesh Ram.
शायद उसे खेलना पड़े.
He might have to play.
शायद उसे दौड़ना पड़े.
He might have to run.
शायद उसे चलना पड़े.
He might have to walk.
शायद उसे मिठाई खाना पड़े.
He might have to sleep. Eat.
What is your name?
My name is Shivam Vishwakarma.
What is your father's name?
My father name is Savindra Vishwakarma.
शायद उसे कुर्सी बनाना पड़े.
He might have to make chair.
शायद उसे दौड़ना पड़े.
He might have to run.
शायद उसे लिखना पड़े.
He might have to write.
नदी कौन? What is your name?
My name is Aditya.
What is your father's name?
My father name is Ramashankar Yadav.
शायद उसे चलना पड़े.
He might have walk.
शायद उसे बैठना पड़े.
He might have to
नहीं याद करो क्या ना कर सकते.